how to fix Splitwise app not working. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix Splitwise app not working. Okay, so let's go right into the tutorial. The first thing to do or to notice that whenever your Splitwise app don't work, it is not the fault of the Splitwise app developers. It's either from your phone settings or from a connection issue or from one issue or the other. And how can you fix this? The first thing to do is to check if you're using the latest version of Splitwise. And then how can you check this? Just go to Play Store or Apple Store, depending on where you installed the app from. And then in the search box, type out Splitwise app. Alright, and then the app will be displayed. Now, once this app is displayed in the place or the position where you can see open, you would see the option updates. This is if there's the latest update on the app. All right, you see the option update, so just click on it, and once you click on it, the app will update itself. And once it's updated, restart your device and then go back and open your app. By now the app will definitely work. But if it doesn't work, just leave Play Store and then go to your settings. Okay, now on your settings page, you'll see the option app management. So under app management, you'll see app list. Click on it, and then once you click on it, all of your apps would be displayed. Okay, so just wait for it to load, or you can just type out Splitwise in the search box. Once it's displayed, click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you would see all of your all of the settings that can be done on your application. So the next thing for you to do is to click on storage and cache. Alright, once you click on storage and cache, we take it to the storage and cache page. On this page, at the lower part of the screen, you see the option clear storage as well as clear cache. Okay, so you can just click on clear cache. And then once the cache is cleared, you can also decide to clear storage if you want to. But just that once you clear the storage, you will lose all of your app's data, and then you have to start logging in from onset. All right. So once you click on clear cache, restart your device again, and then open up this app. By now, the app will definitely work. So this is how you can fix Splitwise app not working. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.